On this episode, I will show you how to save an audio chain plugin preset in Fairlight for Davinci Resolve that you can apply to different projects. You will also learn how to create a backup copy of this preset, as well as how to transfer it to another computer. This feature is essential for content creators who use the same plugin chain for their vocal or mastering processes. Knowing how to save an audio plugin chain as a preset and apply it to projects can save you an incredible amount of time when producing videos regularly. Let's begin. We'll start by opening a project with a vocal chain that I've already created. What we are going to do is save the plugins you see here on track A1 as a preset that we can recall in another project. The preset we are going to create for this type of track is called a global track preset. If we were to save a preset for the master bus track, labeled bus 1, that type of preset is called a global bus preset. We'll create both in this episode. To create a global track preset for audio track 1, go to the menu bar at the top of the screen, click on Fairlight, and then select Presets Library. The dialog box that appears displays a drop-down menu offering different types of presets. Choose Global Track Presets. If you already had a preset, it would appear on the left side of the dialog box. For most stock installations, this area should be empty. Mine has one called Vocal Chain YT for my YouTube vocal chain. On the right side of the dialog box, you'll find the current tracks in the project. For this project, I have a track called Audio 1, representing the A1 track. Now, to create a preset for the plugin chain on this track, select the track you want to save a preset for, in this case Audio 1. Then click Save New. Enter a name when prompted, and you're done. If you wanted to make a second preset variation or update the current one, clicking Save New again will prompt you to update or create a new preset. Since we're on this screen, let's make a preset for the master bus. This will go quickly since the steps are essentially the same. Return to the drop-down list and this time select Global Bus Presets. Mine has a preset called YT Master Bus. If you're doing this for the first time, yours will be empty. On the right, now select Bus 1, which represents the master bus of your project, or another bus if you created one. Then click Save New. Lastly, click Create New to enter a preset name and hit OK. Go ahead and click out of the dialog, and let's apply these new chain presets to a new project. Here's a new project. On the Fairlight tab, we see a single audio track and a master bus track. To apply the plugin chain preset we just made for the audio track and bus track, click Fairlight in the menu, as we did before, and select Presets Library. Then choose Global Track Presets. If you have more than one preset, select the one you want to apply. On the right, choose the track to which you want to apply the preset. In this case, it's the Audio 1 track. Finally, click the Apply button. If you get the Change Track Format message like I did, it's because the preset I previously saved was for a mono vocal track. There are two options at this point. You can just click Change Track, and Resolve will automatically change the track type to accommodate the preset used. If you choose to manually change the track type, click Cancel. Now go to the corresponding audio track, right-click on it, and choose Change Track Type to, and select Mono. Then repeat the preset application again. It's simpler to have Resolve change the track type, but I wanted to include this operation for those of you that are new to Resolve. Depending on the type of plugins in your chain, they may take a moment to load. Just be patient. Now let's apply the plugin chain preset to the master bus. You do the same thing, but this time select Global Bus Presets from the drop-down list. Then choose the plugin preset you made on the left. Since we only have one for this tutorial, it's already selected. Next, select the destination bus to which you want the preset applied. In this case, it's bus 1. Then click Apply, and that's it. Now, to back up this preset or copy it to another computer, we need to navigate to the following paths where the presets folder reside on both Windows or Mac. Take a moment and pause the video to navigate to the following directories that are published on the screen. On Windows, the path is. On Mac, the path is. Once you're in the presets folder, the global track preset you saved is located in a folder called Channel, while the preset for the global bus track is located in a folder called Bus. Locate these folders and save them with their contents somewhere. If you wanted to transfer these presets to another computer, just copy the channel and bus folders to the presets folder on the next computer. Or if you're appending presets to a system that already had presets saved, then simply copy the presets to the corresponding folders. Note, if you've never saved a preset before on the new system, or if you have a fresh installation of Resolve, neither the channel nor the bus folder will exist. I can confirm that this preset is interchangeable between the free version and the paid studio version of Resolve. So if you started a project in the free version and upgraded to the studio version at a later time, or vice versa, you can save a preset and copy it to either version. In our studio, we use PC, so I can't confirm presets are interchangeable between PC and Mac. If someone can confirm and comment the result, it would be greatly appreciated. And there you have it. You have made a time-saving investment by learning to create audio track presets from current projects and apply them in new projects. As I mentioned, this can save you hours of time over the course of months to a year. Make sure to check out my other time-saving workflow tutorials on my channel. So as always, thank you for watching, and until next time, go capture that once-in-a-lifetime moment.